The comic illustration workshop is so cool.
The comic book workshop was one of the greatest workshops I ever did because I got 2 teachers for that on 2 different weeks.
Alan and Steven, they're amazing instructors, amazing comic illustrators. I had like certain characters that I would draw, but I feel like, yeah, they're characters, but show me a little more personality, kind of.
I'm always thinking about like just random things, and I feel like with music or with comic book drawing or with fashion, I could like speak out those ideas without exactly putting them into words.
And it was extremely fun. I was actually able to learn how to draw comic book characters from in 80s style or the golden age, silver age, and copper age of or bronze age of comics. And then I also learned how to draw comics of my own style with just random shapes. So I took a rectangle and I was able to turn it into a weird looking dragon with a helmet. And that was fun.